My dear brothers and sisters, in this journey of life, every single choice we make is shaping our future. Sometimes we think that small actions don't matter. But in reality, even the tiniest step we take has the power to direct us towards Jannah, or push us further away from it. Allah reminds us in the Quran that whoever does an atom's weight of good will see it, and whoever does an atom's weight of evil will see it. This means nothing is wasted. Every prayer you make, every smile you give, every time you control your anger, every time you lower your gaze, these are not small things. These are the steps that build your Akhirah. Life is not about giant leaps, it's about consistent small steps in the right direction. The Prophet taught us that the most beloved actions to Allah are those done regularly, even if they are small. So never underestimate the power of a daily dua, a short surah recited with sincerity, or even avoiding a single sin. Your future is not written by luck. Your future is written by your choices, and your choices are guided by your faith. If you choose Allah, if you choose sincerity, if you choose patience, then Allah will open doors for you that you never imagined. So ask yourself today, what choices am I making? Are they bringing me closer to Allah or further away? Because every step matters. And every step is leading you either towards light or towards darkness. Remember, your destiny is not in the hands of the world.